Hello my little loves, we are at Davy Crockett Ranch at Disneyland Paris and I am going to show you all the amenities and what it has to offer. This is my favourite place to stay on site, so let's check it out. So when you arrive at Davy Crockett, before you get your cabin, you just park in the car park behind me here and you head over to reception. We've actually been here a day now, so taking some time out of the park, I'm going to show you what's going on. So on your right hand side you will see the reception when you arrive. It's in the Frontier outpost. Let's head in and check it out. So they have started putting the Christmas decorations up today. So I'm here between the split of Christmas and Halloween. So we've had Halloween for a couple of days and it's about to jump into Christmas as well. Let's go and check in. So you will literally just check in here. What I think is really nice as well, they've also got a massive map of all the hotels and the ranch. Also they've got the golf course on there, which you very rarely see. And then they've obviously got all the parks. Obviously you can see the studios here. This is now expanding right out this way. So, yeah. Another thing that I absolutely love about Davy Crockett is that it has a supermarket on site. And I have so much appreciation for that because obviously it is self-catering as well as being self-drive. So the shop here at Davy Crockett is the Alamo Trading Post. So we're just going to head in there. So of course, because more than just the traditional Disney items that you can get, obviously you have got that supermarket as I previously said. So let's head in and check out what they have to offer. Bonjour. And they have released out some Christmas stuff, which is always nice to see. So we've got obviously the traditional stuff. There is more to offer in the parks as well, but they do hold a good stock here. Obviously you've got your spirit jerseys there. You've obviously got your princesses and everything like that in the corner. They kind of cater, they pick out probably the best selling things in each hotel and they kind of run with that. I am obsessed with these. I want one. They are the softest things ever and they are just so comfy. I really want to use it as a plain pillow. So again, it's just your traditional toys there. You got some luggage items in case you're buying more in the park. Obviously got like a collection of pens and just your basic things as well. A couple of jigsaws. These are actually great when you're staying in the cabins for something to do in the evening. Obviously you've got the different ride ones there. They're only 100 pieces, but they're definitely worth it and there's a nice little thing to add to your collection. So you've got your magnets. Another thing as well to note, they do fresh bread and pastries as well as that. You can get hot drinks just there. I'm gonna check out what food they have to offer here. in the way of their supermarket. Obviously it's not to the full extent that a supermarket would be. There are a couple of supermarkets around, but I think they stock enough, to be honest with you. So you obviously have your hair brushes, your baby bottles. I think it's fantastic to sell stuff like this because this can be stuff that can be lost or even, you know, forgotten. Birthday candles, again, a great call. Sometimes people forget that when they're here. And then you just got your hair brushes and you've got all your sanitary products there as well, which is amazing. And then, as you can see, they've just got a really great and large selection of food. And of course they carry wine because we are in France, so there's a great selection of wines there. They even have at the top the 30th anniversary bottles, still a little bit pricey, especially when in France, but they are a nice novelty gift. Bottled water to take in the park, highly recommend this at the moment. The park's taps are currently switched off, so it's really good to have that. That's a pack of 6, so it's really good to have this stuff. Obviously you can get the cheaper bottles as well down the bottom, so that's always something to kind of take into consideration. You could even put some grenadine in them to give them a bit of flavour if that's what you wanted to do. And then you just got your frozen meals. See, all this can be cooked in your cabin, so you just got some odd bits there, which is great. So you can also buy beer here as well in the fridges. I think it's a really nice little touch. There is also the option to have a barbecue at your cabin at Davy Crockett, so you can buy coal here at the supermarket as well as fresh veg. And then you just weigh it over here. It would be rude not to try on some of the new Christmas stuff. So I'm just going to, not that I'm here at Christmas. I know I said that 2 weeks ago, but when I'm back. But I am obsessed with these. How much are these? So these are 25 euros, which I don't think is too bad. Then we've also got these as well, which I absolutely love as well. They're cute, they're cute. And those ones are also 25 euros. Again, very good price for ears. A lot of the ears have gone up in price now. You're looking around 30, especially for the really different ones that aren't necessarily always going to be sold in the parks. There's a couple I've got my eye on, but they're just examples of what you can already buy in the hotels. I think Davy Crockett is a great option, especially if you have young children. They've got a lot of activities and things you can do while you're here, one of which is the mini golf, which I'll show you now, and you also have this really amazing play area as well. So we're going to head up there and I'll show that to you. Still, see, Halloween, Christmas crossover, told you. So I don't think it's the world's greatest mini golf, but it is definitely something to do. And it's something, if you just fancy escaping the park for a few hours, it's just giving the kids that break that they need. And at the back there we can see the playground. Again, it's just giving them kids that break, isn't it? But it's a great little addition and definitely worth a trip here. So in regards to eating here at Davy Crockett, you've got Crockett's Tavern, which is over here. It has a buffet style sit down, 35 euros for adults and 28 euros for children. That does include a drink as well. Breakfast is quite limited here at Davy Crockett. You can get a takeaway option where you pick it up a hut by your cabin, but personally I don't think it's worth it for me, but because it's just pastries and little things like that, and I think your money is best spent maybe going somewhere like Isle of Sandwich in the park. Oh, they've clearly got very festive in here as well today. So obviously this side of me here is the pool entrance. That's going to be covered in a totally different vlog, and then I can show you all in the pool. The pool is just through there, showing you the menu options here for you. Oh, I lied about the children's. It is €22.